Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I'm Crystal Alexander, and I'm a life, wellness, and success coach. Coaching is not a new profession. It's been around for a few years, although for a lot of folks right now, it's just coming across their radar. You're wondering what a coach is. You're looking at the front page on my website. Coaching is about having someone believe in you and encourage you. Coaching is about having someone that has your back, that can help you find your full potential, find your passion in life, find what you really want to do. I, as a coach, right now am in the process of taking some classes so that I can actually become a certified coach, which takes my coaching to the next level, to the next step. In the United States, as of right now, there are no specific requirements to be certified. There's no laws or rules that say we have to be. I like the idea of being certified because then that allows me to bring even more to my clients than just being a regular old coach. As a coach, I believe that you have a unique gift to offer in this lifetime which will bring you joy. I believe that you are willing to be honest with yourself and with me. I believe that you can solve any problem you encounter. I believe that you are capable of far more success than you know. I believe that you're willing to learn what others are not. I believe that you are able to commit yourself to mastering your craft. I believe that you are coachable. I believe in you. I believe. Today I want to talk about something I've come across, a question everybody seems to have. How does online life coaching work? I've got a blog about it. You can see that it's top of the page. You can click over and go to the blog. How does online life coaching work? Basically, you've got a choice when you're coaching online. You can coach through Skype, or you can have your coach call you through Skype or through an online system or through their own phone. A lot of coaches do phone calls so that you can be anywhere in the country. You don't have to be in the local area for the coach. When I am coaching a client, it can run 30 to 45 minutes. It can run an hour. Usually the initial consultation, get to know each other, see if we fit, see if we're a good match, is 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what we're trying to cover. And then each session after that can be 30 minutes to an hour. Coaching typically runs once a week for a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, a year. It can be an ongoing thing. As you're learning and growing and expanding and changing, you may decide you want to stay with the coach for 6 years, 10 years, however long you want to stay with the coach. Some people will change coaches. They'll find one works in one particular area and may not cover another area the client wants to work on. That's perfectly fine. Usually your coaches, if they've been doing for a while, can refer you to somebody else. Maybe they're not real comfortable, like say you've been through a divorce or you've lost a parent. They're elderly, I'm saying. Maybe there's one coach you're talking to that hasn't done divorce, isn't real comfortable helping through with that change of life kind of stuff or the divorce kind of stuff. They might know another coach that could help you in that direction. So how does online life coaching work? It works in many different forms in many different areas. The nice thing about doing that with a phone means that you don't have to get in your car, you don't have to go to a meeting. It makes it really easy for a client to fit it into their time frame. You want to talk to your coach on your lunch break, you can do that. You want to talk to your coach in the early morning, depending on maybe where you're at in the country. It might be too early, it might be fine. You want to talk to your coach later evening. You can fit it around your schedule and, of course, around your coach's schedule. It's a lot of give and take, and if you're talking a 30, 45-minute session, I've been doing these classes and I'm really amazed. We talk for about an hour as we cover stuff, and I'm amazed at how much information we fit in just an hour. You don't think you do, but you really do. Now, if you want to go over to my blog, I do talk a lot more, and I do give a sample session about how does online life coaching work. So it gives you a chance to kind of read down through. I'm not going to go through all of that here. Here is the blog part. As you just seen, I just clicked on blog and over to the life coaching. So I want to thank you for listening to me today. If you come to my website, and it will be listed below this video, there's a contact. You can get a hold of me. I am offering a free session so that we can get to know each other. If you're interested, if you want to give coaching a try, I offer a free 45-minute session. We get to talk, give some give and take, see if we click, see if we connect, see if it all seems to work. There's always that. Sometimes it's not the right coach. You'll find another coach. That's fine. That happens. This is a give and take partnership. You grow, I grow. We grow together. This is a journey that we both take. I'm in it to help you become the best possible you can be. I believe in you. I help you with clarity, help you with insight, I help you with focus. There's also my pricing page. If you would like to look at that, feel free to contact me. I welcome messages. I will get back to you 24 to 48 hours. I try my best. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I look forward to posting another video soon.